Welcome to OneSignal Advanced Segments. In this video, we will go over how to set up segments using tags and location filters. These filter options do require additional code added to your app or website. However, once set up, you can begin targeting with more relevant and personalized messages. Common applications include grouping users by interest, incrementing the times certain actions were performed, abandoned cart scenarios, and other event-triggered notifications. For example, I run a news outlet and provide politics, entertainment, and health articles with a subscription and free payment model. Using OneSignal tags, I have already set up my app and website to track each user's payment status as subscriber or free and increment how many times they visited each category. I create a segment with the user tag filter. Here I input the tag key. In this case, I want to see my user's payment status. Next, I set the tag operator. For instance, I can filter all users where their payment status is subscriber. I can also filter all devices where the payment status is not subscriber. Using the isNot operator will capture all devices where payment status equals a different value and devices without the payment status tag. I can see how many devices have that tag with the exists operator and all devices that do not have the tag with the does not exist operator. Since OneSignal allows string or integer tag values, you can filter by greater than or less than operators. For example, using my category tags, I can target all my users that visited a politics page more than 4 times. Or I can filter all my users that visited my health articles less than 10 times. Another really helpful feature is the ability to tag users with a Unix timestamp value. Then use the time elapsed greater than or time elapsed less than operators to track how much time has passed since the event or how much time until a certain event. This becomes helpful in abandoned cart situations. Each time a user adds an item to their cart, tag them with the cart update and current timestamp. I then set the user tag filter key to cart update with the time elapsed greater than operator to 86,400 seconds, which is 24 hours. I can now send messages to users that have not finished checkout. See our abandoned cart guide for more details. As we saw in the previous video, filters can be combined with and or clauses in order to create very specific segments. If I wanted to target all my politics subscribers with an article, but the article fits with my entertainment category as well, I can use politics exists and entertainment exists. But keep in mind, a device must have both tags to be included in the and relationship. Instead, you can use an or relationship to target all users with either the politics or the entertainment tag. If a device has one or both tags, they will only be included once in the segment. Let's look at location. If your mobile app is tracking location data, you can set up segments for devices that enter a certain radius around a provided latitude and longitude. Set the location filter and set your desired latitude, longitude, and radius in meters. The OneSignal SDK will update the new coordinates every 5 to 10 minutes.